Hello everyone, today I want to share with you a super special gift that my husband gave me for Valentine's Day. It's the Ceci Magic Mirror Smart Display. Since I saw it, I thought it was a super spectacular gift and I'm going to show you why. It's much more than just a mirror. The first thing I'm going to do is show you everything that comes in the package. It comes with the mirror. Look how beautiful it is, and comes with its own charger. It also includes a stand to place it on any surface you want. While my mirror is being set up, I want to tell you a little bit more about it. It's like having a personal assistant at our vanity because we can download Google Photos, Google Calendar, Spotify, Netflix, games, and even download apps on it to use it however we want. So this device is not only beautiful, but it's also super functional. Are you a fan of technology, really? I see this mirror as the ideal gift for Valentine's Day, or for anyone special you want to give a stylish and unique present to. Now I'm going to show you how it works. One of the features I like the most is that we can use it as a personal assistant with voice commands. We can have it log an event in Google Calendar, like for example, I'm going to do it right now. Hey Google, log a dinner on Friday with my friends. As you can see, it logged it. And what about this feature? Hey Google, play Rihanna on Spotify. We can adjust the volume of the mirror, and at the same time, we can transform it into a mirror, so we can use it while we get ready or do our makeup. So, if you're looking for an innovative product that combines style, technology, modernity, and practicality with functionality, this mirror is perfect for you. Look, you can do your makeup. You can use it as a mirror, you can use it as a personal assistant, you can listen to music, you can watch Netflix, you can do so many things with just one product that, besides being pretty, is super functional. If you're looking for a special gift for someone special, the Magic Mirror Ceci is for you. Here, let me show you a bit. What does its main screen look like? Here I have it in mirror mode. Here it shows the time, and you can see that it reflects perfectly in the mirror. We can use this on our vanity, and it works as a clock. We can pair it with Google Calendar and use it as a picture frame. With just a touch on the screen, we go back to the main menu, where all our apps and all the functions we can use. And if we want to switch it back to mirror mode, we press this button. What icon is this? I put it here on my vanity, and look how nice it looks. It fits perfectly on any surface.